Right, first of all, I'd like to welcome everyone to Addison Precision.
Addison Precision are a machining business. We manufacture component parts for the aerospace and medical industries. But I think it's important for Addison, we've got ourselves to a level, but it's now how do we take the company forwards.
I'd like to personally thank Aerospace Consultant and Northwest Aerospace Alliance for giving us the opportunity to host the event today.
We've welcomed the Watchtower group here today.
Obviously we're here to talk about this new Lancashire AEM Watchtower programme.
The Watchtower event really is a programme that's here to look after the companies in the region.
We then want to influence both national, international customers to understand what Lancashire's got to offer. We want to get to the position whereby people in Whitehall think about Lancashire when they start thinking about national investments.
We want to make the right decisions going forward, particularly around innovation, and the Watchtower is there to assist companies like ourselves.
So we want Marcus because he's been there through the journey, through the task force, but also we want him to represent the potential beneficiaries. So thank you, Marcus.
I think it's very important that they've chosen Addison today. I think they've recognised where we are on the journey.
On the site here we manufacture the very best in precision machine components. The machinery, the skills that we have on this site are second to none.
Our facility and what we do with regards to machining and technology, this facility is our shop window for the business.
We think we've got a great attitude within the business, we've got a tremendous culture, we've got the ability to learn, we've got the finances in place, and we want to take the company forward.
How do we contribute to making Lancashire the most attractive advanced engineering and manufacturing location in the UK?
Addison Precision also exports into the EU. A lot of blue chip names out there. You know, we are servicing some really big names.
I'll finish there and just say thank you to Mark and Marcus for organising this. I really do appreciate it.
We've been delighted to host them today, and I think it'll help us not only in terms of the advice and support that we gain from this point forward and get the Addison brand known, you know, to some of these companies. So I think that's important also.